Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Bear Brown. Thanks for coming to my garden channel today, where I'm here helping you grow something tasty. All right, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I sow my fall garden seeds. And the seeds that I'm going to be sowing, they are Georgia collards. Now, I've already sowed a whole rack of those. And I'm going to also sow today spinach. And my last one I'm going to sow is the romaine lettuce. All right, so those are the three that I will be planting today. And I'm going to show you a technique or a strategy that I use to help with planting these small seeds, because I don't want to plant them and then I say, hey, they're not coming up. They're not coming up. I don't know why. All right, so let me show you this strategy. And everything that I have, I don't keep secrets when it comes to gardening. So everything I have up here, you're going to know it. All right, so let's go. All right, now I made this strainer a year ago, and I'm gonna lay my compost on top of it, get it out. And I do have my my broom handy, so I know I'm inside, so I don't make, when I make a mess, I'll be ready to clean it up, so my wife don't kill me. All right, so all I'm gonna do is take my hand and rub back and forth, and this is gonna make it the compost real fine. And if there are any sticks or log or little branches, it's gonna leave them on top of the surface. I've already done this earlier, because I've already about filled up my trays already, and all you're gonna do is just rub your hand back and forth. And I'm using the wire mesh. It's called hardware cloth, and I think it's 1/4 inch, if I'm not mistaken. Now you can see this handful. I got sticks, I got rocks, and in my this rock is a lot bigger, and I had one that was even bigger than that. So can you imagine just not sifting your soil and then go ahead and planting these little seeds, and you got this big rock on top of your seed? Chances are you're gonna be waiting and waiting, and you're not gonna have any success. All right, so all I gotta do now is remove my strainer, and I have my little cups. All I'm gonna do is make sure you pack the soil down so you don't have any air gaps, because that wouldn't be good for your seedlings. So I'm gonna do it a couple more times, pack it in. And I found this is the best way to increase germination, because you don't have anything that's blocking those tiny seeds. All right, so this is what I call a game changer. I got 4 more to do before we go ahead and start planting. Like I said, just make it compact the soil, your compost, whatever you're using. And if you can use peat moss if you want to, but I've already had this compost ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Use that. All right, last one. And the trays that I'm using, I'll show you that in a second. The trays, this is my first year using them. They're from Bootstrap Farmer. So here's my trays right here. All right, now I am going to use, let me get my seeds. I'm going to use my little pencil. I'm gonna use the eraser to make the hole. All I'm doing is going in until the eraser is I can't see it, and then pull it back out. Now in my last trays, I put 2 holes, like one on one corner, one on the other corner. This time I'm just gonna go straight to the center, and I'll just plant maybe 2 or drop 3 in the hole. And then if I need to thin it, then I can. That's gonna increase my chances of getting them to germinate. All right, so almost about there. And if you are a first-time gardener and you say, hey, well, I've already planted in the warmer months, don't put everything away, because we still have the fall into the winter. We can still grow something. Now, you may not be able to grow some of the sweet tasting fruit. You won't be able to do that, but this is still tasty, and it's a lot of fun just watching things grow. I just love to see my plants just growing. All right, let me go ahead and put on my readers so I can see these seeds. All right, okay. All right, so I'm gonna do three rows of romaine if I can get into it. I don't want to knock all these seeds out the way. All right, there we go. And once again, I'm gonna plant, maybe drop two in each hole or 3, and I can thin them out as need be. All right. All right, here we go. And make sure you remember, if you are planting multiple seeds, different varieties in one seed tray, you want to make sure that you label your seed tray. Oh, I'm missing, even with my glasses on. Get my aim right. All right, so that's 3 rows of that. You slide these back, so I might be planting some more. All right, now here's my spinach. And I didn't used to like spinach. Now I do. There's a lot of things I didn't used to like, and there's still a lot of things that I don't like, but my taste buds are growing. All right, here we go. Once again, I'm gonna put 2 spinach seeds in. And like I said, I'll thin them out. All right, almost done with that. All right, 1 more row, and I'll be good to go. All right, so let's put the spinach back in here. All right, last one that we're gonna do is the Georgia collards. Oh, I can't get in here. Come on, open up. I don't want to bust it wide open. All right, here we go. Whoops, I'm dropping the seeds. All right. Almost done. And I got 2 rows of the collards. All right, now all I'm gonna do is pinch these together. So all I'm doing is pinching them together. So now I see that the soil is free of those sticks and free of the rocks. Now I'm very confident that my seeds are going to sprout. All right, pinch. All right, almost there. Pinch them together. And after I pinch them together, I'm going to water them in to get them nice and moist. And this is like the only time that I water at the top, because I did not moisten the soil. So if you want to, you can moisten the soil first while it's inside your container, and then you won't have to water them in. All right, so let me get these seeds out the way. Put them back in here. So I'm probably gonna use them a little later too. Oh, and for whatever reason, if my seeds don't sprout up, and if I'm behind when I'm supposed to go ahead and put them out in the garden, I will go to the big box store and get me some seedlings, so I won't be too far behind. But so if that happens to you, don't worry about it. You just do the next thing. You can go get you some seedlings, and if you don't want to grow your own seedlings, then you can just go to the big box store. But they are expensive, so I'm trying to cut the cost. So that's why I'm doing it this way. All right, so I'm just gonna spray over top, and like I said, I'll do all this cleaning in a couple seconds. Clean it up later. All right, I just want to soak it in nice and good to increase my germination rate. All right, and that is how I plant my fall seeds. Now I still have to do a lot more, and I will come back and go over some of the things that you can plant in the fall, because I said I would do that a while back. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that video, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for coming to my channel. All right, bye.